In this video, we'll guide you how to download, install, and use XAMPP to set up localhost on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Step 1. Downloading XAMPP for Windows. Start by opening your browser and searching for Download XAMPP for Windows. Click on the first link, which should lead you to the official download page. Make sure to download the 64-bit version if you're on a 64-bit system. This setup will work for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Normally, download starts automatically, but if it doesn't, then go back to the download option again. Click on Download, click on Problems Downloading, select the option Web Works, and your download will start. Step 2. Installing XAMPP. After downloading, double-click the setup file to launch the installer. Click Yes, grant permissions. A setup wizard will appear. Click Next to proceed. Choose the installation folder for XAMPP and your preferred language. Then begin the installation process. You may need to provide some permissions for the installation to complete successfully. When it's done, click Finish. You should now see the XAMPP control panel, which will help you manage your local host. Step 3 is how to download and install WordPress. For that, go to the New tab, write www.wordpress.org, download. Select the first option. Now download the latest version of WordPress. Step 4 is to place WordPress folder into htdoc. First, copy the downloaded WordPress zip file. Open C drive on your computer, then open the XAMPP folder, and then htdocs. Paste the copied zip file here and unzip it. Open the unzipped folder, and inside it, you'll find a folder named WordPress. Click on it. Select the entire WordPress folder and copy it. Go back to the htdocs folder. Create a new folder and give it a memorable name. Here, I'll name it Ali. Open this new Ali folder and paste the copied WordPress folder inside. Now the path to your WordPress files is as follows. C drive, XAMPP htdocs Ali. Your WordPress files are now ready in this location. Now step 5. Open the XAMPP control panel. Run Apache and MySQL. Click Start on both of them. On completion, it will turn green, which means it is running now. Step 6. Create a new database. For that, open your browser. Simply type localhost. On the top, click PHP MyAdmin. Now the server is open, and here we will create our new database. Click on New. Create database name of your choice. I am writing Ali as a database name. Now press Enter, and your new database is created. Step 7. Install and run WordPress. For that, open your browser. Simply type localhost / your folder name, that was Ali, and press Enter. Select your language. Here I'm selecting English. Press Continue. Click on Let's go for WordPress installation. Database name is Ali, that we created before. Username is root. Ignore the password. Just click on Submit. Click Run the installation. Now write site title of your choice. I am writing Learn and Earn. Username will be admin. Password is learn1234@. Enter your email and install WordPress. WordPress is installed. Now simply log in. Save your info if you want. To visit website, simply type localhost / your folder name, ali. Press enter. At start, your website looks like this. Now to visit dashboard, simply type localhost / ali /wp admin. Enter your login details. Username is admin. Password is learn1234 @ as I saved my info earlier, so it is auto-filled. You can enter if yours not saved. Click Login. We successfully installed WordPress on our local server. Now you can create your website on local server. Later on, you can live this website on any hosting as well. If you have learned something new in my video, please like, subscribe, and share.